Oh my god, what happened to your hand?
I don't know. I went to a party, and all I remember is that I drank some punch that they said was spice stuff.
Oh my gosh, you didn't really drink the punch, did you?
Yeah. I don't know.
They spice punch with alcohol.
Oh, that would have helped then. I don't know, but I don't like it.
Can you take it off?
Oh no! Oh no, don't! Ah!
Oh my god, now it's spreading.
Oh, I don't want elephantitis.
Oh my god, now it's all over your face.